Hello and welcome to English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. And always here at the very beginning of the class, I like to make my teaching philosophy clear, how I believe teaching should take place, and that's with a question, and it's who am I? I'm Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, and I'm not your boss. I'm not God. Nope. I'm your friendly teacher guide. Which brings up another question, and it's who are you? You're my student. That's true. I help you to learn, to master the learning objectives in this class, which means you're my teacher because you teach me how to teach you. So you're my collaborator. And here is a great truism, great truth about the teaching learning process, and it's this: without each other's help, we will not be successful in this course. We teach each other. If there's one red apple for me as the teacher, then there's another red apple for you as a student. Okay, let's go into our actual course, our online course, and learn about it. Okay, I'm going to move my image over here, and I'm going to look at the left menu. We have very few items in the left menu. I don't like a whole lot because I always think simpler is better. Okay, so we have here in home, what is home? Think of home as that bulletin board we used to see in the classrooms when we were little. The teacher would put all kinds of information about what we were doing and decorate the bulletin board, and that's how I regard home. So here I have our artwork, which is a blue brain turning on, which I think is pretty cool, and turning off, which is, of course, symbolic of critical thinking. When we're thinking critically, our brain is on and it's not off. Okay, I also have a link down here to week 1 in modules, which is October 21st through the 27th. I have all the work we're going to do in the course, so you can use this handy link here. Or you can also go into modules in the left menu. Modules is our class Bible. Now I'm going to bring my image over here for a moment, and I'm going to have you look over here. Well, there is a to-do list here, and you're probably thinking, why has Nunu created another to-do list down here? I've created this handy link because I think this to-do list is a little busy. It can seem overwhelming. There's a lot of stuff here. I like to focus on 1 week at a time, so that's why I have this link. Okay, so I'm going to click on this handy link to modules here, and I can see immediately that we are in week 1 of the semester. We have all of our assignments here. I can scroll down and I can see that the whole class, the 8 weeks of the course, are organized in to-do list order. Everything we need is right in here. Okay. Now, something I need to tell you. For our critical thinking essays, I'm going to ask you not to post them ahead of time because they are actually discussions, and we discuss whatever the critical thinking topic is together. You can work on them, but don't post them because we want you to be with us, live, discussing things with us. Assignments like the frequently asked questions and the quizzes, which are here, you can do ahead of time, and you can do these quizzes as many times as you like before the end of the semester until you earn a top grade. However, I do ask that you turn everything in the week it's due, and you can go back and, of course, you can work on these quizzes. All right, what is the next item in the left menu? It's syllabus, and I have all of the items in our syllabus here. And you'll notice that I have them in 16 links. I like to feed it to you in bite-sized pieces because I don't like to have you overwhelmed by a huge syllabus. So most important right here is instructor and course information. This is how to reach me and how to Skype with me if you live from far away and you want eye-to-eye contact, one-on-one, and you're not able to come to me during my office hours, which are listed here. We can definitely Skype. Okay, next in the left menu is grades, and you're going to click on grades to read my comments about your work, which will be private. I will comment in the discussion, asking you questions, and I will also comment in grades, and your grade will be private. The next thing we have is Canvas tutorials. If you're unfamiliar with Canvas, if you don't know how to work in Canvas, all that information is here. And finally, we have Office 365, which is pretty great. Office 365 gives you access to all kinds of online apps free. Okay, so I'm going to click back here on Home to our Blue Brain. I'm going to show you this link right here. And I'm going to tell you that I'm always here for you in inbox. This is the fastest way to reach me. You're never bothering me if you email me. If something's not clear, you need to teach me how to make it clear. You need to help me out here, because I'm going to think everything's great unless you tell me, hey, we need to work on this and make these directions clear, or maybe include different resources. So whatever advice you have for me, I'm all ears and I'll take it. I'll learn from you. Okay, so let's have a good first week, and I look forward to working with you.